Welcome to step 7 of how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Well, we're on the home stretch now, so after this particular lesson there'll be only one more step and it'll end up solving the entire cube. So we've got the white done, we've got these two layers done, and we have the yellow side done at the top. So we only really have this section here that needs to be addressed. Now, the sequence or algorithm I'm about to teach you is definitely the most difficult one in the entire series, but don't be scared, it'll be fine. Just like anything in life, if it's worth doing, then it's going to take a little bit of time to learn and memorize. But once you know it, it's quite easy. So here's the other thing now. Before you go ahead and do the sequence, I want you to look around the cube and see if you see any patterns. So there's no patterns here as such, but sometimes you'll see, for example, an orange with a green and an orange. So that would mean that you would have to put that over here. So let's say that red square was an orange square now, and this automatically will become your back before you start doing the sequence. Let's say, for example, you had a red, orange and red. So this here, if this was the case, would become your back. Now, we don't really have any patterns as such. However, if you look around, we have two blue here. So because that's the best we're going to get as far as a pattern is concerned, preferably it'd be better to have it in the middle. But you have to understand the Rubik's Cube has over 43 quintillion combinations. So that's a huge amount. So things can always happen, but the sequences and algorithms will always put things back in place. So always remember that. So now this is the closest to a pattern. Let's make that the back. Okay. Now pay attention to the actual sequence and algorithm that we're about to perform here. So pay attention to the sequence that I'm about to show you. It's right back, front forward, right back, back goes anti-clockwise twice, right forward, front back, right back, back goes anti-clockwise twice, and then right forward twice. Okay, so now if we look around the cube, we've managed to create a pattern here, and this will automatically become your back. Now sometimes you'll find that you'll do this particular move and you end up solving the whole cube. But that once again depends on what configuration the cube is at that particular moment. So let's perform the entire sequence again. Right back, front forward, right back, back goes anti-clockwise twice, right forward, front back, right back, back goes anti-clockwise twice, and then right forward twice. So now if we look at the cube, we have everything in pattern, and we have a full back here, which will end up being the position of the back in the next move that I show you. And if you feel comfortable with this particular sequence, practice it quite a few times before you move on to the very last step. And I'll see you in lesson 8, where I show you how to solve the rest of the cube.